In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Appwrite Password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few tips to make sure your reset goes smoothly the first time. Start by opening your Appwrite Cloud Console and heading to the Organizations area. This is simply your main workspace view and gives you quick access to your personal account options. Once you're there, look to the top right of the page for your profile icon. It's the small avatar or initial badge. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Account. This takes you to your personal account settings, which is where password and security controls live. Inside your account settings, find the password section. Think of this as your central place for anything related to your login credentials and recovery options. Instead of changing your password directly, click Recover Your Password. This is the safest route because it verifies ownership of your account through email and ensures you don't accidentally lock yourself out. You'll see a field asking for your email. Enter the same email you use for Appwrite. Double check for typos, extra spaces, and make sure you're using the address tied to your Appwrite account rather than a secondary work alias. If you're part of multiple workspaces, remember that password recovery is tied to your personal Appwrite account, not a specific organization. When you're confident the email is correct, click Recover. Appwrite will send a secure message to that address with instructions to finish resetting your password. Head to your inbox and look for the email. If it doesn't show up within a couple of minutes, check your spam or junk folder and ensure that your email service isn't filtering automated messages. Links and password reset emails are time limited for security, so open it as soon as you can. If it expires, simply repeat the same steps to get a fresh link. A few quick tips before you wrap up. If you usually sign in with a third-party provider, like a single sign-on option, make sure you're using the same sign-in method you originally set up for your account. When you create your new password, choose something unique, long, and hard to guess, ideally stored in a reputable password manager, and never forward the reset email or share the link with anyone. That's it. You've started the Appwrite password recovery from your account settings and requested the reset email. Follow the message you received to complete the change, and you'll be back in securely in no time.